Hello everyone, welcome back to Recipes by Aisha, and today we'll be making the delicious restaurant style copycat fish karahi. I will be sharing all the tips to make this amazing fish karahi step by step, so watch it till the end. Let's cook it. You have to take boneless fish for fish karahi. I am using barramundi fish, but you can take any boneless fish of your choice but make it in cube shape. You have to take a wok for fish karahi like a restaurant and fry the fish cubes for 5 to 7 minutes in the oil till it changes its color. And then take them out and keep it aside. In the same wok, remove all the excess oil and just add half cup oil to the wok and then fry the chopped tomatoes. I have taken 5 tomatoes to make the karahi, but you can use store-bought tomato paste as well here. But the taste of the real tomatoes is more delicious, so I am using chopped tomatoes here. Then add ginger and garlic paste and stir fry it with the tomatoes to make the tomatoes completely soft and turn them into a puree. Then you have to add spices to the karahi. Add red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, black pepper crushed, coriander powder, cumin powder, carom seeds and fenugreek leaves. Now stir fry all the spices with the tomatoes to mix it completely. I will not add any water in this recipe as tomatoes release a lot of water already. The more you stir, the more flavor will come out of this karahi. So stirring is the key to this karahi. Then we will add yogurt to this karahi to have that thick and rich curry. Stir it again and again to combine it together. Then add green chilies and then add the fried fish to the karahi. As fish is already fried, so it is well cooked already and we do not need to cook it more now. Just mix the karahi with the fried fish to combine all the flavor of spices, tomatoes and yogurt with the fish. It will take almost 3 to 4 minutes. Add coriander leaves and mix it to have that beautiful coriander flavor. Once the oil is released from the karahi and oil comes on top of this karahi, your delicious fish karahi is ready. It is exactly how you get served in the restaurants. You need to follow the step-by-step process and you will definitely get the same taste at home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious restaurant-style recipes.